Today I'll show you the benefits of using Ezoic's new Umix video sharing platform that allows you to monetize videos on your site even if they're not your own. Now, unlike video players from other ad networks, Ezoic Humix lets you share your own videos across the entire network so you can make some extra income from the videos you've created. Now, this unlocks a huge potential for your videos, and I use Ezoic Humix on all of my sites, and it's a nice addition to my Ezoic ad income. Now, you can use Umix on your site even if you don't have your own videos, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. But having videos on a page is great for 4 reasons. It can help to engage your visitors and keep them on your site for longer. The videos can give an interactive experience that text and images alone can't match. A compelling video can captivate your audience and increase the time they spend on your site, which can improve your search engine rankings and ultimately help to drive more traffic to your site. Videos can also help to enhance the user experience and understanding of your content. Rather than having visitors read through lengthy blocks of text, you can use a video to break up the content and provide additional context and explanation. Now, this can also help to simplify complex concepts and make them more accessible to your audience. For instance, if you have a tutorial or an instructional page, you can create a video that walks users through the steps in real time, providing a visual guide that complements the written instructions that you have. And they also build trust and credibility with your audience. Now, by offering a detailed video, you can show that you know what you're talking about. Now, all of these things help you rank in the search results because they are the exact thing Google is looking for in pages. But having a video on a page also helps you rank better in search results because it shows you have a full coverage of the topic. Now, the Umix platform helps you organize your video content on your site so you can get these benefits even if you don't have the videos yourself. So let's look at how that works. Now, there are a few different sections to the Umix dashboard. First, you have the overview. This is your dashboard where you can see everything. It shows you how much you've earned over the past 30 days and from which sources, owned, displayed and shared. And these differences are very important. Now, you can toggle between the tabs to see revenue and views for the top content in each section. So I have some top content here, so I can exactly see which type of content does well on the platform. Now, the owned section, this is revenue earned from your own videos on your own site. It's the videos you uploaded yourself or created with the Flickify platform, which lets you turn content that you have on your site into videos in just a few clicks. Now, the revenue comes from ads being shown on your site before video plays or in the middle of long videos. And to place your videos on your site, you can create ad placeholders where your video might play on your page. Now, for me, this is by far the largest revenue source of video revenue, but I do have a site where shared revenue is larger than owned. Now, then you have displayed videos. This is revenue from videos of other publishers that were shown on your pages. If you don't have a video on every page of your site yet, you can choose to add videos of other creators so you can still earn a revenue from video ads on that page, even if you don't have a video on that yourself. So this way you can get those video benefits on pages that you don't own YouTube videos for. And the Umix platform automatically will search the most relevant videos to show on your page so you can make sure that the video content matches the content on your site. Now, the revenue will be shared between you and the video's creator. So the video's creator will get a cut of the earnings as well, so you both can benefit. And that's where the shared revenue comes in. Shared revenue is revenue from your videos being shared on other publisher sites in the Umix network. Now, it's a great way to earn something extra from your videos. You share the revenue with the site that it was displayed on, and what's the other side of the displayed coin? In this case, it will be your video that's shared, so you will earn a cut of the video ads that are displayed on someone else's site. So they will earn revenue in the displayed bucket and you will earn revenue in your shared bucket. And you can also view your own channel from this dashboard page. And that's where Umix creates a video library on your site, which is great for SEO because Google can index all of these individual videos that reside on your own URL instead of driving traffic away from your site and to YouTube, because on YouTube they will have less of a bond with your brand because they visited your site when they go to your own videos. Plus, the ad revenue from Ezoic Humix is a lot higher than you get from an ad impression on YouTube itself. So having your own videos rank on your own site is a great way to get some extra traffic from Google and earn more from your videos. Now, on the studio page, you can add new videos and create playlists with multiple videos. Now, uploading is pretty easy. You get an editor where you can change the title and the description to fit your SEO needs, and you can add IAB categories for targeting of video ads. So it's good to select like the right category for your video to go in, so you can make sure that your video gets the right ad targets. Now once the video is uploaded, it will be immediately added to the Umix library to be shown on your pages and shared in the entire network. Now, especially like the YouTube import feature, this lets you import your videos from YouTube directly, and that's because I have YouTube channels for most of my sites. So I already am making these videos, and not having to upload them separately to Umix saves me a lot of time. So this is a great feature. You can do 10 at a time, so if you have a lot of videos, just go through them. You can upload your entire portfolio onto the Umix network in just a few clicks. Now it also already takes the title and the description, so that's already filled when you import, and that's great, so you don't have to go over that again. Now it even checks to see which videos you've already imported, so you only upload the new ones every time. And the only thing better would be to have them auto-imported every day, but maybe that's just me. I like to automate everything, as you might know, so not having to think about it at all would be a nice extra step. You can see all the videos in your Umix library and search for them with the search bar if you need to edit or delete a specific one. Now at the site, you can set where and how you want your videos to show on your site. You can use embeds like with the Ezoic ads placeholders to create a placement for them. And Ezoic has had these placeholders for quite some time, so you might already know these, but they work quite intuitively. If you have the Ezoic Chrome add-on, you can just click on that, add the video where you want to show it on a page, and even add a video placeholder so it will show on every page of your site, and Ezoic Humix will just automatically choose the right one. Now, I like to use a site-wide placeholder with a playlist of 3 short videos because that gives me the highest earnings, and with these short videos then ads can keep playing between videos. So that's just my setup, but you can also add one placeholder that works on every page of your site that will automatically select the best video from your library or from the entire network, and that's probably the easiest setup to do. You can also do a manual placement of each of your videos and create a separate placeholder on each page. That of course will allow you to place the video exactly where you want it, because if you place it on every page of your site, for example after the 10th paragraph, then on some pages that might not fit just right the way you want it. But I've found that just a site-wide placeholder or a placeholder that automatically selects the right video is a great fit for most blog posts. Now you can also customize the video player to suit your preferences and site style. You can choose the colors and even select from a few templates, and you can also have it float on the page anywhere that you want. But if you have like a chat button there, you can also have it float on the left. Then on the monetization tab, you can also change the monetization of your videos by allowing longer video ads to be shown on your pages, or aggressively monetize your videos in a Mediavine style video player, which will up the revenue a bit at the cost of user experience. Now I recommend keeping it on the Let Umix Optimize Video Ads position, so there's a good balance between optimization and user experience on your site. You can also set if you want your videos to be shared within Umix or you don't want that, and if you allow Umix videos from other creators on your site, you can also activate or deactivate that. But of course, changing these settings will limit the ways that you can earn from the platform, and you can even select this on a per video basis. So you can opt out from sharing for some videos, but not others. Maybe you have some personal videos in there that you don't want shared. That's no problem. You can also turn that off. Now at the channel section, you can make tweaks to your channel to show certain types of videos at the top. This is also where you can choose if you want the YouTube videos that you already have on your site to be replaced with your new Umix enabled videos, so you don't have to change them manually. Now if you switch over from YouTube videos on your site to those in the Umix platform, this can be a great addition because you don't have to manually swap every video out. I found that having both a YouTube video and a Umix video on your page confuses Google a bit, so they don't know which video should be prevalent in the search results, and they might not show any. So it's a good idea to either replace your YouTube videos with this option that they have, or remove the YouTube video from pages that you have an exact match Umix video for as well. Now, I think Umix is a great way to earn some more from your sites, even if you don't have your own videos. But if you do, you can have them shared across the network. And if they're around broad topics and a good quality, you can earn significantly more. And the good news is you can use it for free if you sign up for Ezoic ads. I'll leave a link in the description below.